Do I look like a happy camper? I am a happy camper. Stick around and I'll tell you why. Hey guys, this is Fuzzbuzz. Today in this video I'm about to do a review on my new helmet that just arrived thanks to Moto Life from Antalya. I ordered it online. It's not a paid review, I paid for it myself. It's my first full face helmet. It's an MT brand. It's a Targo solid matte black helmet, and I'm about to open it for you. Okay. And this is the helmet. Comes in a lovely little carry bag that it came with. As you can see, empty helmet. And it's an XXL because my head is pretty big. And as you know, big head equals big brain, which equals big IQ. That's what I say anyway. Not that everybody believes me, but... And I open it, and yes, I am a happy camper. And wow, there you go. There it is there. As you can see, looks really schmick. I wanted the matte black, didn't like the really shiny. It's DOT and ECE approved, which means it's, you know, approved in America and approved in Europe, so it's according to standards. And just looking at it, it looks absolutely schmick. And as you can see, there you go. And people tell me that I have a head for modeling helmets. And I'm looking at it. Comes with a little booklet. Comes with a 2-year warranty, actually. It's nearly 1.5 kilograms, so it's 1,450 grams, and it feels sort of light, doesn't feel too bad. And I'll just push this table in a little bit more. Just looking at it, it's got an air vent at the top, which is adjustable. It's got 2 stages, as you can hear, click click. It's got 2 air vents in the roof there, and it's got an air vent at the bottom. Open, close, and let's see how this works. The visor, great, pops open pretty well, and it closes, and it has a little lock at the end that you can lock it, that it won't open up. And just by looking at it, I am stoked. And I'll do a review on this in a couple of weeks' time as to how it feels on the road, as I've never worn it, I just got it. Thanks to Moto Life in Antalya. They delivered it on time. And there's a nice little lock system. There you go, and it's metal, it's not plastic, so hopefully it won't break or anything like that. It's got a nice little chin guard here, which I'm sure will keep out some noise and reduce the noise inside the helmet. When we open it up, as you can see, it's got a protector here for your nose, and I believe that will help with the ventilation and you not breathing into the helmet, which is also a cool feature. This visor, I believe, does come out, but yeah, here we go. This is the helmet. It's a beaut helmet, and I can't wait to hit the roads with it. And I've been waiting to do this, so I'll do it now. Let's peel off this front sticker, and that feels awesome. There you go, and it's off. I'll just stick this on my table for now. It's got a quick release, it's an anti-scratch, and it has PC lenses, which is good. And it is 2.2mm thickness in the visor, which is good, nice and safe. There you go. And I'll put it on my noggin so you guys can have a look and see what it looks like on my head. And it fits snug, which is good. It's not hurting or anything like that, and you should buy it snug. It should fit your head perfectly. And yeah, I am absolutely wrapped. There you go. What do you reckon? That's what it looks like on my head. And I'll turn around this way, do me modelling of the helmet, as they say. I have a head for modelling helmets, they reckon. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy. So I want you guys to stick around. The reason why I bought this helmet was because it's a full face, and I just like the look and the shape of it all, and I love that front look of that. That's what caught my eye. And I have a helmet, it's an open face that I generally use on my chopper. And yeah, so I bought the full face one as a second. And as I said, I'll be doing a review on this, on how it feels on the road, and let you guys know all about it. So stick around, stay tuned to the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe, and I'll let you know how it all goes. So hope you enjoyed, and this is the Targo shell, and it's an empty helmet, and I bought it here locally in Turkey, and I'm super stoked. So let's see how this all goes, eh? Adios.